Alright, tonight we are going to look into database. Joining three tables. So I have here an example lah. Right. Let's look at the example. This example is event management system. Okay, we have participant and event. Whereby one participant or one user, you can give it a name, tak salah, user ke participant ke, can attend many events, and then an event can be attended by many participants. Okay, let's say you have event program seminar A, seminar B, seminar C kan. So it can be attended by different participant or the same participant. Although the event is occurred at a different time. For example, the seminar, let's say this week, another one next month, another one is per next year, and so on. Still in the database, the relationship tu is one to many lah. Alright. So dia akan jadi macam ni lah, many to many. A participant can attend the event, then the event can be attended by many participants. So we take the higher order lah. Kalau one and many, kita ambil many. Alright. So when we have many to many relationship, we introduce a composite table in the middle ni. Alright. Ataupun composite entities. Because many to many, we cannot apply, we cannot implement it in the database, and it must be one to many. Alright, and then the relationship is binary ni dua kan. Okay, participant and attendant and event. So kalau relationship tu dia one to many with itself kan, contohnya dia ke sini, itu dipanggil unary. This one is binary. And then kalau ada tiga, dia panggil tertiary lah. Usually we have binary lah. Right? Okay. So we take M ni always at the at the composite entities yang kita introduce tu. And then one ni kat sini lah. Right. So itulah kaedah dia. This is the method lah. This is the method. Kan. So itulah ada yang baru hantar kat saya database ERD baru nak check. Saya tak tahulah sempat siap ke tak projek awak. Kan. But this thing you should learn lah masa kursus database kan. Right. Okay, and then we identify all the attribute for each of the entities tu according to the business rules, to the system tu nak apa, to the process kan. Biasanya you propose a system for people to use lah kan. Siapa yang nak pakai benda tu? So what are their requirements? So their requirement, we want to hold the participant information, kan. We want to hold their address, contact number, their email and so on. So that thing yang kita list down semualah kan. Right. So ini yang panggil whether the attribute tu enough or sufficient to support the business. Alright. And then event kan, katalah ada organizer siapa, description, date start, end and so on. Macam ni katalah organizer. Sometimes if you want to manage the organizer information, this one can be changed to organizer ID and ada relationship pula with the organizer. Kan. So dah ada dua stakeholder lah kat situ. Participant and also the organizer. Kan. Alright. So the attendant ni is whereby the action lah, when participant attend the event tu, we hold all the information here kan. So case dia ialah we have primary key here and primary key here. Okay. when we build a relationship, so automatically lah, the primary key will become a foreign key in the composite entities. Tu cara dia lah. Okay, and then we introduce apa tu attendance punya apa ni own primary key. Kita buatlah attendance ID just a running number, kan? So that we can display lah. Okay. So far bila kita apa tu kita buat sistem, you tak ada masalah dengan pasal tak boleh masukkan ni. Baru keluar. Sorry. Right. Okay, so far when we deal with one apa tu table, for example add participant atau display participant, display event, tak ada masalah because the query is very simple, kan? You query macam ni, select for example participant ID, first name, last name, gender, email, kan? Ataupun you nak ambil semua select star, kan, from, kan, participant. Tak, so macam tu. Sama juga dengan event, select star from event. So you tak ada masalah dengan query. Habis-habis pun kalau you nak letak ni apa, where, you put lah the apa tu the condition, kan, where username equal to something like that, kan. Katalah you nak check dia punya ni exist or not, kan. So you letak lah something like this, kan. Right. So setakat ni tak ada masalah. Ataupun bila kita nak display one of the event ni, kan, we select star from the event, kan. Event, kan, where kita pakai dia punya primary key, tak, event ID, okay, equal to katakanlah event ID, kan, EID lah for example, tak, right. So untuk apa ni di single ni tak ada masalah. Problem dia ialah bila you nak display the attendance, because attendance ni required apa ni participant dengan event ni lah, kan. So we have to link between these two table, barulah dia boleh display all the information, kan. Right. So how to join, dia join lah, kan. How to join these three table, there are few way lah. Ada pakai join, dia pakai inner join and so on, kan. Right. So kaedah ni ialah first we construct, select, right, and then from select from join, okay, join. Lepas tu join ni ada on, and then join lagi, and then ada on, right. So ni kalau join 3 table. Kalau you join 4 table, tambah satu lagi, join on apa, tak, right. So these are the structure lah. Okay. So join ni ada few type of join. Ada inner join, ada left join, outer join and so on. You pakai join biasa pun tak apa, kan. Siapa dah pakai inner join pun tak ada masalah, because why? We already preserve the data structure integrity, kan. Let's say for example event ID ni kat sini ni, it cannot exist without the actual event ID, because kita dah link kan dia. We cannot simply delete event kat sini, tak, because apa, event ID ni already exist here, sebab kita dah buat link dia, kan. Kalau ada setengah design database yang lain, okay, make sure dia tahulah apa yang dia buat. Setengah tu dia bagi that's why kita buat on update cascade, on delete restrict, okay, kan. So we apa ni the database wouldn't allow us to delete this event dekat sini if the event is already exist here, dah ada transaction dah, tak boleh lah kan. Okay, right. So dia faham setakat ni kan. Okay, so the structure is macam ni. Ni select apa, and then kita panggil nama apa tu, nama table followed by the attribute kan. For example, participant. Okay, participant dot apa, katakanlah username kan. Ada setengah tu tambah S ni kalau you nak rename kan dia, katakanlah S uname, boleh buat kan. Ini kalau nak rename, this is apa, optional lah kan. And then you can call mana-mana table daripada 3 tu. Contohnya attendance dot attendance ID kan. Right. Lagi apa lagi? Apa yang ada lagi? Kan? You nak cari sign in lah, apa benda semua boleh. Right. Okay. Ini kita ambil daripada 3 table lah. Sebenarnya you boleh call semua. Kan? Tapi tak boleh letak star lah. Kena panggil table mana you nak, and then which attribute yang you nak panggil. Okay. And then katalah event name. For example, event name. Event dot event name. Okay, macam tu. Right. And bla 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 bla. Okay, you sambung. From, okay, table ni you boleh ambil from left to right. Right to left pun boleh, tak ada masalah. Okay. Katakanlah you ambil daripada table participant kan. Okay, join on join table apa? Table attendance. Alright. Okay, join table attendance on. Ni semua table Saya letak kali merah. Okay, yang ini you mapkan dengan apa tu, primary key dengan foreign key. Yang ni tak apa, kita buat kemudian. Participant join dengan attendance, join dengan table event. So kita dah tarik daripada 3 table. Okay, apa yang linkkan dua-dua ni, participant dengan attendant ni? Participant dengan attendant ni link dia ialah ni, participant ID. Make sure benda tu sama. Primary key dengan foreign key. Okay. So participant ID, okay, equal to, equal. Betul lah. Alright. Table attendance dot participant ID. Right. So ni kita letakkan lain. Right. Manakala event ni kan, event dia akan link dengan attendant. Event ni dia tak link dengan participant, dia link dengan attendant. So you kena letak sini event ID equal to equal to attendant event ID. Right. Okay, tak nampak kali ni, kita tak purple lah. Okay, boleh? Faham? So in any table, you apa tu, sama je kaedah dia. Kan? Cuma beza ni ada tak setengah tu left join, inner join, tak ada masalah. Join saja pun boleh. Right. Okay, so let's try. Let's try dekat you punya own database. Kita tengok macam mana, kan? Sekejap Alright, so sorry terpause. This is the ni lah, the apa ni, the SQL lah, the SQL. So I recap balik, kan? So we select from join on. Okay, select from, ambil table from left participant, kan, participant, and then join table yang tengah ni, attendance, and then on. Okay, primary key equal to foreign key, kan, and then also primary key equal to foreign key. So these tiga table ni, these are three tables, and then join yang ni lah, ni. Okay, primary key, this is called reference table, and then this is foreign key. Yang ini pula, this is the primary key, and then this is foreign key dekat table attendance. Right, so I have demonstrated to you apa tu, one of your ni lah, your colleague of your project, outing apa ni, outing the system, kan. So asal dia sekejap. Saya tunjuk balik sekali lagi. Select. Okay, select. Okay, from, join, on, join. Okay, kemudian boleh tambah where. Right. Select. Ni kita biar dulu. From, okay, kita ambil table kiri ke kanan. Dia ada student, outing, student, keluar banyak kali outing, and then approved by warden. Warden approve many outing. Okay, select from student. Okay, join table, outing. Right, and then join satu lagi table belah kanan ialah warden. Okay, ni ada satu lagi on tertinggal. And then on ni kita table student and table outing, student dot matrix number dalam case ni equal to outing dot matrix number. Nampak? Yang ini foreign key, yang ini primary key. Sama juga dengan case ni, kan, warden dot staff ID equal to outing. Okay, siapa yang approve dia punya outing, staff ID, kan. So yang ni nanti kita panggil je. And then kita tak boleh direct macam ni katalah saya letak sini matrix number, student name. Dia tak silap saya dia akan ada problem. Okay, nampak error sebab kita dah join table tau. So kita nak panggil ni attribute ni, kita kena panggil nama table dulu, kan. Student, okay, dot student name, macam tu. Katalah awal tu kita nak panggil student, okay, dot matrix number, comma, student dot student name, kan. And then di outing bila, kan, outing dot outing location, outing dot outing date, outing time, pulang lah. And then warden, siapa yang approvekan benda ni, warden name, kan. And then outing dot approval status, kan. Okay, so we run. Okay, kita akan dapat lah. Alright, so nanti bila you nak display balik row apa, you tengok ni, kan, ni. Okay, ini akan ada masalah sikit. Bila kita nak display lah, kita display dalam SQL, kan. Dalam PHP, kan. Sebab kalau you panggil row matrix number, dia ambil matrix number mana? Dekat table student ke table outing? So itu akan jadi masalah sikit lah. If you encounter that kind of problem, kan, contoh okay, ni masa you buat row ni, dollar row ni, ingat tak? Kan, you nak letak apa dalam ni? Katalah you letak matrix number, kan, pak keluar error, unidentified lah apa benda lah, kan. Because dia tak tahu nak ambil matrix number dalam table outing ke dalam table student. So you can try like this. Try lah. Kalau tak boleh, do another ni. Contohnya student dot matrix number. Okay. Kalau tak boleh, kan, kita boleh buat macam ni. S. Katakanlah S matrix number. Contohlah kan. Okay. Student katalah S STU name contohnya. Boleh letak outing ni S location. Outing date ni S katalah out date. Contohlah, kan. And then ni S warden. Okay, and then this one S status. Okay. So, you tengok sekarang ni, tengok dia punya nama table Okay, run. Nampak tak? Matrix number, STU name, location, outdate, warden, status. So, bila dalam SQL, ni confirm boleh jadi lah, kan. So, you panggil ni row STU name. Macam tu, kan. And then, dollar row, apa lagi? Location, approval, and so on. Okay, that's why we rename ni S. So, to simplify things lah. Alright.